respected teacher and my dear friend. Good morning, all of you. My name is Santoshi Rajbhar. I live in Ghosi. Today I am going to talk about importance of money. Money is very important in the world. Money is very important in our life. Money is very powerful in the world because if you have money, you can buy study. You can do study. If you don't have money, you cannot do study. That's why money is very important in our life. I am not able to speak English, but I am trying to speak English. Talent is very important. If you have talent, you can do any work. Money is very essential for in life. But if you have money, you can do everything. Thank you for listening.